What's the meaning of central heating? Central heating. Central heating.
Central heating. Central heating. Central heating refers to a system that heats multiple rooms within a building from a central location. This is typically achieved using a boiler or furnace to generate heat, which is then circulated through the building via pipes or ducts. Central heating provides consistent, even heating throughout the building and eliminates the need for individual heating units in each room. This results in greater energy efficiency, lower utility bills, and a more comfortable living or working environment.